Okay friends, and welcome back to my tutorials. And today class, on the today section I'll going to discuss about this plan to you. And we can observe friends, we have all the dimensions, but except this circle doesn't have any dimension, but I think that it is 78 radius. Okay, so I'll do this plan now. So we do that, I'll explain to you. Okay, observe friends. So now I'm starting the circle. So 32 diameter, 22 diameter, 58, 78 diameters. So that's why C enter, D enter 58, and Z enter, A enter. Scroll down it, circle here, and D enter 78. Right? Yeah. 32 and 22 also in there. So we'll do that. C enter, center 30. So D enter 32, and C enter. And in the center point, D enter. I need to use it 22. Here we can see friends, I have the one circle over here, that is 6 holes with the 14 dia. So C enter, and I am making the circle over here, D enter 14 dia, and I take a line now. The line was taken from the mid to the this. We can arm the F8, so I can getting the straight line. Now we can see friends, we have the 6 here. O enter, I need to take the 3 distance, and this, and we can see now O enter, 3 enter, and I take it this way. Okay, and I'm selecting this object, deleting that, and TR double enter, and I'm trimming this, this, and I can trim this area also. And I don't want this also. Right? Escape. Now what we need to do is, I select this one, and I'm doing -AR command, and polarity, and center point is here, and how many items? 6. So here, yeah, 360 degrees. Yes, see, done. And we can need to get this one here and this one here, that is 57. So now C enter, from enter, the base point is here, and at the rate of x value 0, comma y value is 57. Right. D enter, diameter is 12, and we have another circle, that is 22. C enter, circle center point, D enter 22. Yeah. And we have another circle over here. This is 36 diameter and 18 diameter. So that's fine. How we do that? This is 46. I think so. It is 70. It means for fence is a 57. 104. So we need to get the minus of it. Then we can get it that how much. So 47. So okay, now I'll do that. Down is 47, this one is 45. Okay, C enter, from enter, and I need to get this center point over here. At the rate of x value is 45, comma y value is -47. So done. So D enter, diameter is 18. And we have 36 also. C enter, diameter is 36. Sorry, circle is taken, radius is taken. C enter, circle center point, D enter, diameter is 36. The same way we need to take down. So copy, and I'm taking this circle here, this circle, enter, specify. I'm choosing the mouse direction and enter 90 and enter. Right. Now you can see I want to be draw a line now. L enter, I draw a line from this quadrant to this quadrant. If you doesn't see the quadrants now, we just right click on the object snap and we need to select all. Next one, C enter, T enter, the first tangent over here, second tangent over here, that I need to take as 72. Yes, it's okay. And TR, double enter. I'm trimming this, and as well as I'm trimming this also. Done. Now I need to take that. How much, friends? 20 radius over here. C enter, T enter, first tangent here, second tangent here, 20. TR, double enter. I trim this and I trim this. Escape, and I'm using mirror command. MI, enter. Select the objects to the mirror. Yeah, enter. And specify the first point of mirror line. Specify the second point of mirror line. Enter. See, the plan is done now. This is the third plan, and I'm going to discuss this plan on the next section. Okay, friend. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel.